everyone, welcome to Mega Naman! And this is the main event. Are you ready?
Namiss ko naman kayo mga alaga. Grabe.
Correct.
Namiss episode 9. Grabe.
Our
Ano
jet
na-
setter queen, Miss Versace, is back fresh from CDO.
Siyempre, nung first episode, di ba, kakalapag lang natin.
Mhm.
Ngayon, kakalapag lang natin ulit galing Cagayan de Oro. Nagpakilig ako ng mga Bisayas. Grabe.
Buti hindi sila galit sa'yo. Buti hindi ka persona non grata doon.
Sobrang sarap ko doon. Parang mas bet nga nila ako kasi binuli-buli ko doon yung alaga nila.
Deserved. Okay, all right. This is the finale episode of Drag Race Philippines Legion Royale. So dahil last episode na nga natin, ito natapos na ating season. And you had a very hot take in our second episode that it was a slow burn season for you. Ano ang overall thoughts mo for the season pala?
Tama yung sinabi ko na slow burn siya. And nag-burn siya, and up until now, parang, shit, sinong mananalo? May ganun akong
Correct.
level na parang, hindi, actually hindi. Let me just not beat under the bush na hindi ako nagulat kung na-excite ako sino mananalo. Because I just feel like I know it. Wag na tayo magpaka-TV dito na, oh my gosh, sinong mananalo? Alam ko kung
Correct.
sinong mananalo. Pero you know what? It was a very fierce season, honestly.
Yeah, and I mean, even though yun nga, parang track record-wise, the winner was obvious, they still were able to make a compelling story out of it.
Yeah.
Kasi, the story of the season is told backwards. They edit the season keeping in mind na ito na yung top 2 natin.
Yeah.
At ito, most likely, ito yung winner that we're trying to endorse. They told us a good story of how Brigading won this whole thing.
Yeah. And I just feel like, yun nga, parang katulad naman sinasabi ng tao na parang, yun nga, gaya ng sabi mo kanina prior to this whole filming situation na palagi sinasabi ng tao, produce. Well, maybe.
Well, yes.
maybe it's produced, pero there are parts of it na parang, huy, nilaban ni Bading.
I think
may
there's
mga parts
also, with the criticisms kay Brigading, I think there's also a factor of she did not come into Legion Royale being a fan favorite on her season.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, she has a very, very strong, steady fan base of her own. But compared to the lineup of 5 Filipina queens, she was definitely not
At
the
least na
fan favorite
gets.
out of the 5 of them. So feeling ko parang, syempre, you want to root for yung manok mo, diba? Gusto mong i-support yung manok mo. Pero we have to be able to take out that lens of, ito yung favorite ko, siya lang yung gusto ko. Dapat, hindi marunong kang tumingin objectively din
Ayun
sa
nga
season.
parang sabi ko, honestly, let me just be transparent. Hindi naman talaga ako fan ni Brigading eh. Lalo na, di ba nag-awit pa sila ng Minty?
Correct.
Hindi ko bet yan. Huy, hindi ko
Correct.
to bet. Huy, bakala. Baliw. At
But-
pero, ate, parang, sis, bastos ka na lang ngayon kung hindi mo pa bibigay sa kanya. Sobrang bastos mong tao na parang, I don't think you're a fan of drag kung hindi mo bibigay sa kanya at this point.
Oo, I mean, even if we want to argue that, okay,
Maybe she lacks the personality department. Wala talaga. Wala talaga. Yung gano'n talaga si mama. May pagka-vanilla talaga si mama. Pero, for me nga, part yun ng charm niya yun na parang,
she's more mild-mannered than the other queens. Hindi siya kasing chaotic. And for me, parang, with the track record that she was given, kahit anong sabihin yung rigged or favorite, she wouldn't have gotten that steady track record without having worked for it.
Oo, tsaka parang ang kabyat niya lang talaga yung personality niya. Yun yung parang hinanap charisma. Bakla, paano naman yung unt? Di ba kan? Di ba?
Uniqueness, meron naman
Uniqueness,
siya.
nerve and talent.
Nurse
Paano yung unt?
girl,
Ano?
oo.
Bakla, gusto nyo silang.
Correct. Parang, we focus too much on the likability factor. Now, we forget that this is a talent competition. And
Hindi
she
actually,
showed up.
Oo, gets. Brainy talaga tong sister ko. Oo nga, no. Kailangan ko pa isipin.
And on that note, sige, himayin na natin we have many looks to talk about, but
Yes.
also we have
Ano mga ganap?
the performances of the top 4 and of course, the final result. So let's get into it. So you'll be getting into the finale looks of our eliminated queens. Ito yung another one of those moments sa parang sana maganda ka tingnan kasi sana meron ka at least one look to choose from.
Oo, ang kulit mo na nun kung pangit ka pa dito, ha. Bakla. 12 na
Correct.
yun dahil ilang runway ito.
Correct.
10. Bakla, wala ka pang naisip. Tae.
First up is Madam Yoko serving us parang Sari Manok, Phoenix rising from the ashes, another Phoenix storyline once again. But I like this look from her.
Carry long, sakto lang. Sakto lang.
And then we have Something Wong giving very princess of Southeast Asia.
Oo, clear ng palda. Yun lang yung kabyat. Bakal.
I love this look from Ivory. I love the whole...
Gupe.
Yeah, and since ivory yung pangalan niya, you think of ivory, the material, you think of porcelain, you think of white
It's
Asian
so ganda.
kineso, and she's giving us like white
Yeah.
fine china, plus the idea of, kasi we've seen this theme and concept on Drag Race before,
Yeah.
but I
3D.
love how she did the kintsugi. Yung she did the cracks with the gold. She filled
Oh
in
yeah,
the
yung parang
cracks with the
Japanese
gold.
situation na
Yes.
parang kailangan mong masira.
Oo, parang magandang concluding outfit to for her storyline. Ganyan.
Tsaka parang dahil white girl nga si Baclawation, bagay sa kanya yung blondine at tsaka
Correct.
yun ang eyeshadow.
Of course, we have Kitty Space from France
Oo.
serving us gold. Actually, I love all of the details of this look. Ano siya?
Parang same lang naman. Pero kasi pansin ko kay Bakla, same lang yung silhouette. So parang okay. Cute.
Yeah. Well, speaking of
Mama
Bernie,
Bernie, isa't ganun din. Na parang,
ganun din. I mean, maganda yung look si Bernie,
Oo.
pero she loves her national pageant costume. She loves her evening gowns.
Oo, piyesta. Ang
Correct.
atake ng mama natin na parang mga pang Miss Universe talaga na national
Correct.
costume, di ba si mama?
Shout out sa'yo, Patrick
Correct.
Aisorena.
Correct, shout out sa'yo mga backdress, Victoria's Secret atake ha.
And then we have Siam. Alam mo, ang bilis pala nung
Oo, ang bilis pala
airtime ng
atake.
runway na to. Parang bakla last na nga nila. Hindi nyo
Oh.
man lang binigyan kahit
Hindi, pero kasi
ano.
masihimay namin yung sa iba. Diyos ko, magpake pa ba kami sa Eliminated? Bakla, kayo ba may pake pa sa Eliminated? Di ba para wala na rin naman?
Bakla, maganda naman yung...
Eme lang.
maganda rin naman yung looks natin nung tayo ah.
Pero kasi season
Pitindi
natin
na.
yun. Bakla season na lahat may ambag sa istorya.
Ayan na naman po.
Diyos ko, kayo si
Ayan,
J. Queen may ambag sa
magpe-fiestahan
atin,
na naman po ng TikTok. Si Versace, I love
Kasi si
it.
Jake Quinn may ambag sa atin. Diyos ko, bakla.
And then we have Siam Pussy serving us parang temple.
Oo,
Feeling
yung mga
very
parang
temple
mga
atake.
Sa tapat ng Bangkok Big C, merong ganito. Nakapunta na ba kayong Bangkok, Big C, te? Bakla, yung supermarket, may ganyan yung mga ganyan sa Big C, te.
And then we have Mama Yu.
Yung,
Alam mo, I love her energy this season na parang...
trip lang.
Oo.
Sabi ko, parang atake niya mismo, ito
She-
lang ako. Bakla.
She
Ganyan.
gives no fucks. As in, I mean, maganda yung look, pero yung the energy that she's coming in, walking into this runway, parang, wala, kailangan ko na lang
Si Mama,
gawin to.
alam mo, ang nakikita ko kay Mama talaga, alam mo ko sino, ay, de las alas, na parang trip. Alam, ganun, gets mo, pati yung face card ng slide din talaga, parang,
Oh
may
my
pagka,
God.
tanging inasis, parang,
Oh
di-
my
ang
God.
kampi talaga ng atake, di ba?
Oh my God.
Di ba?
Oo nga,
Nakikita
tangina mo.
ba? Ay, ma.
Sabi nga ni Ay, nandito.
Di ko may mga trip dyan book, mga ganun, tapos parang mga taas-taas na ganun.
Oo
Baka,
nga.
Ina Montesilio ba?
Correct! It's giving performer sa bar nung
Correct,
tanging ina,
may
tapos
dede.
maglalakad sa EDSA. And then of course, Kiana with a K serving her signature parang
Yeah.
iconic look.
Yeah, parang for me naman, mahilig talaga si Bakla sa anatomy. Especially for, like, mga ganun yung amas ng alaga natin. So parang, hindi, walang gag masyado, pero like, this is a Kiana look. Which
Oo.
is
I
very
love the
fierce.
color scheme, but between this and the one that she did no finale, na may mata-mata, may bibig din,
I think, mas yun.
gusto ko yung sa
Mas
finale.
yun. Oo,
Yes.
actually.
But she looks amazing in
Oo,
this.
pang finale pa din.
Correct.
Pang finale pa din.
Dapat lang, onti na lang naman yung damit niya hindi
Correct.
nagamit eh.
Wow, Bakla. Parang di mo pabibigay.
Tapos, eto, alam mo, tawan-tawa ako nung nakita ko to kasi naalala ko na naman yung trauma natin no? Nung finale performance.
Ate, Diyos ko, alam mo ba? Alam mo, feeling ko anong time na yun, pati si Mama Pao nakagat ko sisi. Kasi ayoko talaga nag-rehearse, pati si Mama Pao yung parang na may make facean na. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap naman itong makukuha pa ng mga steps na mga ganito. Bakit?
Oh my God, balikan niyo po yung finale performance ng season 3 para makita niyo kung nakasabay ba si Versace o hindi.
I motherfucking swear, Mick Chanel. Alam mo, feeling ko, nung time na yun, pati si Mama Pao, feeling ko, kasi syempre kasama natin si Mama Pao mag-rehearse, diba? Parang feeling ko, pati siya na make facean ko na. Kasi hindi ko talaga makuha yung step sis. Promise, ang hirap talaga. Alam mo, feeling ko talaga, yun talaga yung ano ng sis. Talented ako on other things.
Sis, someday, lahat kami makakasabay sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan.
Kayo na yan. Kayo may problema.
Hindi. Kaya ka namin sabayan.
Oh, go. Nasa na ba tayo?
Ay, ayun, oo nga. Of course, we have our finale judges, Marina and Nymphia Wind.
Yeah.
And, ayun, let's get into it. It's a top 4. The runway look by Mama Pao. What do you think about this?
Ako, it's okay for me. Parang nagigets ko yung eksena. Parang pang finale. Kasi parang feeling ko, ang atake na ngayon ni Mama Pao, parang alam mo kung ano yung dapat, yung sinasabi niyang atake niya sa season 2 na parang, binibigay ko sa queens, kaya simple na lang ako. At ito yun. Ito yung parang simple lang na, pero Mama Pao.
May dala siyang backpack na tsunami, tapos simple.
Hindi, I mean, ito, kasi pero hindi siya as, like for example, that.
Like Nymphia, yeah.
Like the details. It's more like, mas more on drag queen na fashion.
Okay, gets.
Mas fashion siya kaysa drag queen. Parang mas ganun. Parang mas ano kasi ito eh. Hindi siya pang performance eh. Like kung ano yung kay Marina. Guess ano na lang ako dito, judge na lang ako.
Correct.
Hindi na pang show yung susuotin ko. Ano na lang ako dito, pang judge, ganun.
Correct. Ako, I would love to see this with a little bit of different styling. Maybe not the black feathers. Siguro if we're gonna ride the wave of the blue jewel tones more on sa embellishing, and then I'd have loved to see a matching glove. As in parang mukha lang siyang like wave.
Pero gets.
Yeah. And of course, Mama Pao is doing a tribute to Ate Jiggly. Ate Jiggly, sumalangit na, wow. We miss you so much.
Namimiss na kita? Oo, grabe na.
Wala ka ng mga sinesend na reels.
Correct, araw-araw yan eh. Tapos minsan nga, di ba, minumute na siya. Alam mo si Ate Jiggly ngayon, kung nasaan, nasa general ko. Di ba primary tsaka general? Totoong buhay lang. Hanggang ngayon, nasa general si Ate Jiggly kasi araw-araw nag-send ng reel. Ngayon, wala
tapos
na
sa mga caption lang, si Corazon.
Oo, parang mga, tapos mga lol, gago to ah.
Puro bunot ng mga ibang queens,
correct,
ganyan.
Correct.
So our first category for our finale ball is Defying Gravity, na very, ang atake nila, Zimba during the Rusical, Nick Manza sa O-Bar, kailangan mag-aerial. So, dapat maraming like fabric, burlo-burloloy at take. First up, we have Arizona B. Arizona B talaga. Serving us orange. Alam mo, I loved how she took this moment to do yung like the letter to the local queens on the back of her outfit.
Tsaka ang tasteful ng pagkagawa. Para talagang sinulat na parang, ito, ang ganda.
And kasi in essence, the category is quite simple na kayo na kailangan flowy fabric ka. Tapos kailangan kaya mong sumabit sa hoop. It's not a moment to be super conceptual, but she was able to like bring that messaging in to her look.
Ako naman, if she's like aiming to be like the fashion girl and parang less drag queen, iba yung buhok. Parang mas pisa, mas flat, gano'n.
Mas
like,
human hair.
Parang mas, hindi naman human hair, pero mas more on
flowy, mas
streamlined. Parang mas
okay,
flat, pero mas streamlined. Pero like, kasi diba parang fashion na nga atake ni Arizona. So parang may kailangan tayong liitan ng onti. Pero feeling ko kasi finale to, so iba yung thinking na eh. Like parang kung ano yung pinakapasabog na bulabog, yun na yun eh.
Next up, we have Brigading. And actually, speaking of, yung photo shoot ni Brigading for this look, she actually changed her hair to something that's more styled. I like that one more. But of course, since the challenge for this is sabit-sabit, flowy, bagay yung
like this
hair
one, I really like seeing Brigading with flat hair because she has the proportions for it. Not a lot of girls has the proportion for straight hair. Like parang, ang laki ng balikat yung straight hair kayo, pero siya maayos yung proportion. Tama.
We love draggy drag, but the girls that can get away with, not politically correct term, but the girls that can get away with being fishy.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's fun to see them go that route of just like babae lang.
Babae, bagay kay Brigading. Like parang feeling ko nakita ko siya sa parang sobrang tao lang na look rin. Kasi parang medyo hindi ginagawa ni Brigading yun eh, di ba? Parang palagi ko siya nakikita na like draga na kulot-kulot, whatever. Pero ang ganda niya dito.
And then next up we have Suki Doll. I think she's trying to go for something more like, alam ko, parang indigenous yung concept niya here. I think there's a little too much detail now. Mother Doll loves to pile on the details in her look. I think for this one, there's a little too much going on.
Pero Asian rin naman kasi Arabic eh. Pero parang medyo Arabic yung nakikita ko dito. Alam niyo yung parang yung parang K-drama ngayon na Genie Make-A-Wish. Parang yun yung nakikita ko ngayon. Parang medyo Arabic Habibi yung atake ni Ala. Asian pa rin naman.
Yes.
Asian pa rin naman. Pero parang medyo less ng culture niya yung nakikita ko. Parang mas more on Habibti yung nakikita.
And speaking of babae, Venus, alam mo, I also love it when Venus does, as in like babae, drag.
Kasi meron siyang, she has the face for it.
Ang lambot ng mukha niya dito. Plus, we rarely ever get to see her in hair this blonde.
Yeah.
So for me, when we were watching it at the finale, pagkalabas niya, alam mo, medyo nauga ako in a good way na, oo nga pala, kaya nga pala ni Venus ng ganito, as in ganito kalambot.
Kumbaga atake niya, finale ngayon. So, bubulabugin ko
Oo.
kayo. Blandina.
Finale ngayon, so girl lang ako.
Okay.
Girl atake. And then our next category is yellow, yellow, yellow. Of course, this is a tribute to Nymphia and her infamous yellow outfits. I love the interpretation the queens have of this look. Here we have Arizona. She's being the sun. Nabitin lang ako dun sa backdress. Alam mo yung parang, the way that she presented it, parang akala mo, gaganon talaga.
Yeah.
And then ganon lang siya.
Pero ako kasi, kung sun, parang feeling ko nag-face skinny na dapat to. For finale. Kasi parang, she has the same hair with like, kung ano yung suot niya ng Ariel. Tapos, ewan ko, parang feeling ko, I would have wanted to see a face skinny kung meron na nung bilog na yon. Alam mo yun, tas walang buhok.
Gets. Ako, if she was gonna be the sun, parang mas like, committedly big yung silhouette.
Yeah,
Like,
I get it.
Big, round, rather than a gown with something.
Kasi iniisip ko, Mick Chanel, feeling ko kapag naka-face skin ito, magmumukhang malaki na sa likod. Kasi ito na lang yung nakikita. Tapos yung bilog na lang. Like, alam mo yun, gets mo?
Okay,
Nagigets mo ako. So,
yeah.
kung maliit yung silhouette ng likod, dapat yung proportion, ito na lang yung makikita para pes lang talaga.
Maganda yung look, pero it's giving, alam mo yung yung beautiful gowns.
Oo. Alam mo, pero tsaka parang nakikita ko, anong ba yung parang hindi siya sunny, parang flower na daisy, ganun.
Yeah, gets. Arizona has had a successful time on the runway this season. Medyo slight na underwhelm ako sa finale package.
Oo, parang bakit ganun? Parang mas bet ko pa nga yung parang one time na, ano ba yun? Yung parang meron siyang encrusted na parang aswang-aswangan na. Yun yung yun yung best look niya for me.
Yung may aswang na nakaganon?
Hindi yung naka-bodysuit yung parang encrusted na corset, tapos parang medyo gory rin yung team. Yun yung best look niya this season.
Yeah, parang so medyo naging safe yung silhouettes niya for this finale, which parang finale na dapat dun may extra
Slight
pasabog
underwhelming.
Oo.
I also don't like the yellow tas with the silver accessories. I think
she's just not a person that carries the shade of yellow.
You
Parang
think?
I feel like she gets a bit washed out.
Yeah.
Kasi Arizona has had, of course, like we've seen Arizona's makeup, she can become very, very striking. Her features are very striking in certain colors. I think this one washes her out a little bit.
Slight.
I mean, it's a beautiful gown. It's a very polished look.
Oh, yun kasi yung brief yellow. Oo, yellow. Parang feeling ko hindi niya lang talaga kulay yung yellow.
Beautiful gown, polished look, but I've seen better from Arizona. Dito ako kinilabutan. Oh my God, brigading.
I like the meaning.
You don't like the execution?
Di ba yung sign ng mga Aquino, di ba parang pag ganun?
Oo.
Like, parang sana hindi na nila rin silhouette sa harap. Parang mas more on, isang malaking ganun na lang dito. Tapos parang mukha talagang ribbon na ganun. Kasi feeling ko, ilang beses ko na kasi nakikita yung silhouette na ganyan, yung sa harap. Pero I like the details sa likod.
Yeah, actually yun yung for me parang medyo naging reveal moment tuloy siya na okay, sa harap, beautiful yellow gown. And then pagkatalikod niya with all of the yun nga, yung parang ribbon na naka-loop.
Parang dapat kinamp na ako. So I've always seen the silhouette and yung parang ganon. And parang, okay, whatever. It's the same silhouette for Brigading.
I think when girls think of finale package kasi,
it's the silhouette.
It's always gown.
Oo, correct.
We always tend to go for gown basta pag finale category.
Correct.
Understandable naman, but yeah. But I really loved Brigading's outfit. I love the meaning. I love the way she presented it. I love the storytelling in her voiceover. As in, medyo parang, that was one of the gag moments for me no finale. As in, nung nakita ko talaga siya, parang, oh my God.
Correct. I love the idea. I like it. I don't love it.
Okay.
Ganon.
Next up, we have Mother Doll serving you corazon.
Correct.
This is very...
Cheche, ikaw ba to?
Correct. Very, alam ko DragCon UK look to ni Cheche with the big yellow feathers. But it makes sense with her. Parang, it's nice to see Mother Doll show up as, we know her as a fashion girl. We know her to love her like avant-garde runway concepts. It's nice to see her as living the life of a showgirl.
Oh, you can never go wrong with this whole theme.
As long as it's done
correctly.
as
And parang
in the
kailangan
polish. And
busog
hello.
lang talaga yung feathers. Like, yun lang naman talaga yung brief kapag ganito yung showgirl. Kailangan malaki yung feathers
Ayan. But yeah, Yellow Runway.
I like the makeup too.
Yellow Runway, not too deep of a concept, but it was done well. Eto din. Oh my God. Venus Deluxe with this whole like,
Gag.
headless witch, tapos yung ibababa niya. Tapos nakakatawa yung, natawa ko dun sa yellow na wig. Nakakatawa yung
Tingnan
campy
natin.
look siya. Tapos talagang sabi niya, campy look, camp talaga. Hindi man lang siya nagparang, alam mo yun yung fashion wig.
Oo, hindi mo lang tinao. Iba ka.
Correct! Yellow bob.
Isa pa tong Ina Montecillo.
Correct! Pero ang ganda, alam
Isa
mo,
si Madam.
what Venus does well on the runways is be very inventive.
Oo, siya lang yun eh. Like parang siya lang nakaisip. Ay, feeling ko siya lang yung mapangahas enough.
Oo.
Na parang, ay gagawin ko to. Paano kung di ma-achieve? Parang feeling ko wala siyang naisip na
Correct.
ganun.
Yung manananggal,
Oo.
yung duwende. She always goes for these
Pasabog.
larger than life,
Oo.
almost not human kind
Conceptual.
of silhouette.
Oo, concept.
Galing.
Construction.
And of course, our final category for our finale is come in your best drag. Alam na nating lahat to. This is one of the looks na parang kahit wala pang brief, kahit di ka pa sure kung pasok ka, tinatrabaho mo na.
Ito na yung parang,
Oo.
kapag na-fuck up mo to, ate, ang kulit mo naman. Like, best na nga yan for you, hindi mo pa
Correct.
binigay.
And then Arizona's best drag is this like orange fruit moment. I think this is Axel Ke. Oh, what do you have to say about this one, sister?
Ang ganda, girl. Like, I just feel like, lagi akong nakukulangan sa neck part sa kanya. Mas gusto niya talaga yung parang malalaking hikaw and everything.
Ako natatawa ko dun sa like, talagang sinakto yung para may puke yung flower.
Correct.
Again, for me, the only miss that Arizona has for this package, it's a great package, great details.
Yeah.
It's just that 3 gowns in a finale. And I understand where that's coming from.
Yeah.
But with the fashion risks she has taken this season that have paid off, I na-miss ko yun.
Yeah. Yung parang medyo hindi safe.
Oo.
O yung parang mas fashion na ngayon.
Oh,
Kasi
like
parang
the Mugler pantsuit with the mask na ang ganda.
feeling ko kasi yung inatake niya the whole season, parang feeling ko sa runway siya nag-risk. Tapos sa finale siya na parang, okay, dito tayo magdadraga na parang 101 na drag na, ano ba dapat sinusuot sa finale? Feeling ko ganun
gets.
yung nangyari. And, for me, okay tong look. Okay lang.
Mhm.
Okay lang. Ang ganda rin kasi ng construction kasi may mas pa kaya ako sa construction kaysa sa parang silhouette.
Gets, yeah.
Ayun lang. Parang mas bet ko choker na siguro and everything.
Yeah. Ako, I like na parang, even though she had yung parang palikpik sa waist,
Yeah.
they were able to still focus it in with the contrasting
Oo.
color. Hindi siya, like,
Kumbaga hindi siya nakain.
oo, ang
Hindi siya
bulky nung
nakain.
gown, pero she doesn't look bulky.
Hindi siya nakain.
Up next, we have Brigading in this like universe, brightest star concept. I gagged. I love this one. I
Yeah.
love the whole like yun yung printed bodysuit with the gown and all of the pagbabato. Grabe yung stonework on this outfit. And yun nga, it's a silhouette na it is a gown but it's still giving us
Oo.
something new.
Can you imagine kapag nailawan pa to ng correct? Na parang hindi
Girl.
pang TV na ilaw. Yung parang pang-shoot na ilaw.
Have you seen her? You should see her photo shoot for this. It was done
Sige
really
na,
well.
gusto ko na nga.
Girl,
Mag-stock
sorry,
na nga ako ng mga bakla.
I love seeing the photo shoot kasi mas dun mo makikita yung like artistic interpretation ng queen.
Ah,
Alam mo yun.
gets.
Yes, ginawa natin tong outfit na to pang runway pero mas dun mo makikita yung kiliti ng how do I want to present
Ang weird
this.
nga kasi, di ba, parang kung may mga photoshoot, ate, hindi lumalabas sa feed ko, Ibig sabihin, hindi ako pala like na mga ano. Iba mga lumalabas sa akin, mga Vogue, mga gano'n. Hindi lumalabas, pasensya na po. Sige, titignan ko mamaya. Pero feeling ko maganda to kapag nailawan ng tama.
Diba? Yung
Na
hindi
pang
TV light.
Oo, hindi TV.
Kailangan artistic yung light para mas lumabas yung ano eh.
Kumbaga
yung
lalagyan ng
details
contrast ng onte.
Correct.
Pero maganda siya.
Basta I love it. Parang
Yeah. Me too.
she's embodying her tagline, which is the brightest star.
Oh, I
She's
like it.
embodying that,
Like.
which is best drag. Next up, we have Suki Doll giving us Lenny Kiko Eleganza.
Ano siya?
The pink and the green.
Wag ka.
I love how Suki Doll tends to come back to, alam mo yun, the Matryoshka doll, that aesthetic, because I think that's where she gets her name from. The Japanese
Matryoshka
doll. Oo. But this does not scream Suki Doll for me as a look.
You think?
Yeah. Parang she's a little bit more editorial avant-garde rather than like,
Campy cute.
chromatica energy.
Kasi this is giving Harajuku na parang
Oo.
Harajuku Barbie.
Which, I mean, if that's what she was trying to go for,
Oo.
by all means, yes. Pero as a best drag, I don't think of Suki doll as Harajuku.
Feeling ko si Mama na ang thinking is, wala siyang certain look because she's the fashion girl. She can do every fucking thing.
Mhm.
Feeling ko mas ganun yung naisip niya na parang, ay, na-checkan ko na lahat ng look so hindi na tayo ulit masyado.
Oo. At least something different.
Oo.
Okay, gets, yeah.
Feeling ko yun yung atake, pero it's an okay look too.
Yeah, it's not
Hindi ko siya
my
favorite.
favorite from Suki, and it's not gonna stand out as like, oh my
Oo.
god, the Suki doll look, which it kind of should be.
Like parang in your face na medyo dark.
Okay, Venus Deluxe coming out in this Epis outfit. This is best drag.
This is my favorite look sa finale na to.
Girl, as in fashion silhouette, check.
Like,
Campy concept, check. Polished, undeniable execution, check.
Like given na katulad nga kanina, 'di ba, sabi ko, yung outfit ni Brigading, it will work with the correct light because I can see like the print of the background. Ito yung hindi mo na kailangan i-adjust kasi even though even pati yung base na fabric textured. So hindi niya kailangan ng ibang ilaw for it to work.
Ang isang favorite detail ko of this look, the underside of the wings, yun yung holographic na organza. It took it there for me, yung fantasy of ipis ako pero couture, pero ipis pa din ako.
At saka alam mo ba, meron pa tong kulang. Alam mo ba, parang sabi ni Vino sa akin, meron pa dapat tong tsinelas. Ate, syempre pa pala, di ba? Parang gag, bakit wala yung tsinelas? It would have been fierce if yung purse is tsinelas. Di ba, Day? Parang sabi ko, my gag. Okay, kulang yung tsinelas. Parang, no, okay, hindi ko alam ba't ko binukayo dito, pero isipin na ng mga tao yun.
Pero
Doon
mo talaga malaman na parang si Venus yung pinaka nakatumbok ng best drag.
Correct.
It's not predictable, but it's gorgeous, it's memorable, and it's
camp, it's her.
Oo,
it's her.
Exactly. Parang tangina, sino mag-iisip na gawing couture gown ng ipis? Who the fuck?
Siya.
Diba?
Oo, tas hindi pa yun yung brief.
Correct.
At saka
random brain na parang, okay,
ano
calling your best drag, what if ipis ako?
Oo, kasi hindi, yung ipis lang nagsusurvive hanggang dulo. Oo nga, no.
Taba na utak.
Correct.
For this category, Venus was the best one for me. Okay, of course, next up, we will be crowning our Miss Conji Niality. Medyo nakakatawa yung may mga of course nabasa akong like fan comments online na ang weird daw na they didn't have the other queens as an audience man lang.
Lungkot. Yung baklay parang,
but also isipin,
can you imagine kung anong nakalagay sa prompt? Okay, tumawa ka. Ganito, di ba? Siyempre may prompt yan. Papasahin mo parang, mama pa, okay, Suki. Suki, tawa ka. Enjoy ka. Kumwari, nag-ano ka ng
correct. And kasi parang from our season na lahat tayo in audience of the finale. Medyo, ang weird na ang empty nung energy for the finale. But I also understand kasi isipin mo naman parang sabihin na kay Madam Yoko, Madam Yoko, first episode ka natanggal pero hindi ka muna uwing Belgique. Hindi ka muna uwi, dito ka lang. Mag-filming pa tayo finale. I understand na parang they had to, especially the international girls, they had to send the international girls home ahead of time so they weren't able to like have a reunion moment.
Alam ko nga, sabi nila, di ba, parang after na ma-eliminate, bounce na sila.
Parang ganun, oo. So yeah, that is why we do not have the other queens in the audience. They probably filmed their finale looks ahead of time, right before they left. But yeah, that's it. That's why. So ayun nga, Miss Congeniality, technically your successor but not really.
Hindi talaga.
Ay,
ibigay. Hindi talaga ha. Sabi ko nga nung nanalo siya, same kami ng pangalan, tsaka same kaming fashion girl. Pero buti na lang talaga, hindi siya Pilipino. Yung parang wala siya dito, ako pa din. Yung sabi ko talaga, sabi ko, may Miss syempre narinig na natin, may Miss Congeniality daw. Wala na sa akin yung kurong. Sabi ko talaga, mix paramis. Sabi ko, holy shit, wala na sa akin. Tapos na yung rain ko.
And then, di pa rin.
Wala dito sa Philippines, ako
di
pa
pa
din.
Regular season
Uwi
pa rin
ka muna
tayo.
sa festival ka muna. Bakla, Canada, bakla.
And then, let us take a quick break before we go into our grand tite. So for our grand, totally impressive talent extravaganza, first up is Arizona Brandy with the track Arizona B.
Correct.
B is for Budots. Girl, Arizona B for Song of the Year.
Correct.
Arizona B for Vanguard Award.
Correct.
Arizona B for Cultural Reset Icon.
Correct. You know what? This is so smart. Because I just feel like, hala ate, parang yung ginawa ko nung episode 1. Tapos sabi ko talaga, this is so smart because how are you gonna set apart yourself with the girls na seseryosohin to masyado na aamate nila na parang, bakla ka lang yung mga recording artist kayo, ate, novelty po tayo
Correct.
Like parang atake ng mga,
Correct.
atake ng mga bakla. Ate, hindi naman sa pag-ano, pero syempre, ate, yung mga ibang queens nagre-recording artist, atake nyo naman, sineseryoso nyo to na, guess nyo ba, bakla, hindi tayo lahat si Maxi Balik na, bakla yung iba talaga, pinipilit talaga na mga, ano talaga na mga kumakanta talaga. Ate, kung gusto nyo, ate, can we just go back to the era of drag na we talk, like kung ano si
Queens
Alaska,
do novelty.
o
Yes.
si Alaska magkakanta about nails here. Like parang, ate,
Not
talaga,
everything has to be like a bitch track
na,
or like power vocals.
Oo, na parang, ate, paano ka mag-set apart? Kasi di ba parang, yun nga, parang we're so fixated with our fantasy and na-fantasy rin natin na recording artist. Bakla novelty po tayo sa totoong buhay lang So parang, this is so smart.
I have been listening to this song for the last 3 days.
Motherfucking me too.
Non-stop. As in,
B is for what?
B
Baby girl.
is for booked, blessed, and busy. Girl,
B is for motherfucking what?
it's
Yeah.
very Filipino cultural. Plus, it's very big wig energy. Shout out Cream Silk.
Arizona with the B.
Big wig energy.
baby girl.
She had that like cultural part in the first, yung parang fandango sa ilaw, very, ano nga yung tawag dun sa music na yon?
Oo, basta yun.
Oo, basta yon. Like,
Minsay natuwa. Basta yung mga ganun. Basta mga ganun.
and then she shifts it into budots, and that's also a Filipino cultural product.
Which is so smart, the songwriting. With our co-host na co-writing it. It's
Correct.
It was so smart. And the delivery of everything. Alam mo, walang mali dito Kaya nga naloka ako na parang, hindi siya kasama. Like, totoo ba? Like, ate, like parang, oh my gosh.
Same.
Like, if magpo-produce na lang tayo, pwede ba yung tamang ano na lang?
Ang tinatry ko na lang i-justify sa ulo ko, parang iniisip ko, siguro hindi na-get si Nymphia.
Like, parang ang hirap i-justify. Like,
Yun na lang iniisip ko na parang, siguro hindi to pumasok sa top 2 kasi hindi na-get si Nymphia.
parang hindi masyadong nag-reason. Hindi ko alam Like, parang, ate, parang ang labo.
It's just
Labo.
fun Filipino novelty brought back into Drag Race when we're also fixated on yun nga, the polish, the fantasy, the being a recording artist, vocalist, singer, songwriter, atake. Arizona took us back to our roots of drag as entertainment.
Oo, na novelty.
Correct.
Na parang, it's not really that serious. And bakit yung sineseryoso to in the first place? I mean, gets ko yung parang, there's a lot at stake. But like, it takes the fun out of it. Wala na nag-novelty ngayon. Bakla, wala nang Alaska na, this is my hair.
Correct.
I don't wear wigs, bitch.
Correct.
That's so cunt.
I think we need a
More
track
of
like that from Versex.
Bakit ako na naman? Meron ng Arizona B. B is for budot. So,
Versex with a V.
correct.
So, next up, we have Brigading with Brighter's Day. Boy, she's giving showgirl. Yun nga, she's giving the recording artist fantasy bitch track. What I loved about this is the choreography, the choreo, the non-stop showgirl eleganza, plus the...
Ako naman, give me something else. Like, I expect this from her. Like, parang medyo boring na. I'm bored. I'm bored at this point.
Ang caveat ko with like having the talent show at the finale.
Yeah.
Like, I get it na it makes it more exciting rather than having it... Well, maganda rin naman siya at the first episode, but it makes the talent show exciting. It gives it a lot of stakes. But at the same time kasi, how are you gonna be able to produce, conceptualize, and create a talent show performance that encapsulate your season before you even get into the workroom? Kasi,
Hindi, like for example, like, alam mo naman kung anong gagawin mo sa loob like what Arizona did. Like parang, 'di ba? Pero kasi ito, parang pag tinanong mo kung anong gagawin ni Brigading, magsi-split, magta-tumbling. Yun na yun. Parang ito na, give me something else. Like, I already saw this.
yeah,
Hindi naman, mababasya na naman ako, pero like, babe, you can't diminish the fact na nakita na natin to from her. paulit-ulit, okay, whatever, like, the situation,
dragon ribbon
fierce.
thing.
She's a very fierce performer. I'll give
She
her
is,
that.
she
Pero
is.
kung nakita ko na siya thrice, I don't think I'm gonna pay for that again. Like, nakita ko na yung ganong situation. So, sabi ko, okay, pang finale, pang winner, pero like, she's a fierce performer. Period.
Yeah, well, true. Ako naman, given, I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah.
It's still a very polished performance throughout.
Wala nang mali eh.
That
Yun
is what I appreciate about this is from top to bottom, you can tell that her body knew what it was doing
Yes.
at every second.
Yun yung parang feeling ko, kaya parang feeling ko nagiging vanilla kasi walang mali. Ang galing. Which is parang it pains me to say this. Kasi parang shit, alam
Do you
ko
think
yung
it's a
work,
little too perfect?
it's too perfect. And walang character. And like, wala akong nakitang, basta, I don't know, ewan. Like, parang yun yung naisip ko eh. Sorry. Like, well, at the end of the day, she's the winner. So parang invalid rin naman mga pinagsasabi ko. She has the crown now.
Mm-hmm.
But like, just for me, personal preference. And parang, yun lang.
Let's leave it at that. Ay na mo. Our third Grand Tite performer is Suki Doll. She said something about this being cultural. But I remember watching it in the room sa silo nung finale. Wala kasing subtitles noon. So parang hindi ko naiintindihan what was going on. I know that especially to do cultural performances, we have to be very respectful. I love the storyline of like, she made it something na parang, it was her finding her drag, her inner femininity. But at the same time, the segment is called Grand Tite.
Parang hindi. Paano ko ba sasabihin? You know why I like it? It's okay, for me, it's more okay to risk than to do the same things over and over again. It's okay to fail like a risk than to like be lenient and do the same things over and over again. Because I just feel like hindi ka na nag-grow kapag you keep on doing the same things na paulit-ulit. Like this, I know na parang feeling mo hindi siya pang tite, pero I just feel like mas mas deeply rooted dito. Dito siya galing.
Give ko yun. I love how she approached this challenge, how she approached this performance. And of course, she wanted to be like, culture, respectful to the culture that this was in. Pero alam mo yun, parang sometimes you have to give Drag Race the Drag Race energy.
Gets ko. Nagigets
yun
ko.
lang. Dun lang ako.
Ayun nga pero you know why I like it?
It's different.
Kasi also, parang, nandito ako sa point ng buhay ko wherein, tinatanong ko ba, who am I doing this for? Who am I doing drag for? Who are you doing drag for? And sometimes, hindi naman sa hindi naman sa, let's not beat under the bush. Sometimes we're doing it for other people. Yung mga girls, yung mga unang girls na una sa kanya, they're doing it para mabeta ng judges. She doesn't give a fuck. I like that.
Actually, you know what? I take back everything I said just for that and that alone.
She doesn't give a flying fuck about kung hindi to Drag Race worthy na parang.
She was not here to win. She was here to perform her culture, her story.
She has a purpose. That's her purpose, to serve her purpose.
Yeah, I take back everything I said.
Gets mo? Like parang,
I take back everything I said.
Like parang hindi siya pang Drag Race pero it's more tasteful for me. It's art. It's
Yeah.
more tasteful. It's,
Yeah.
it's gonna have longevity than the perform. Hindi, mapapasya ko, pero like, I'm just gonna say this. Pero ito, kung in 50 years, ito hindi pa nag-age. Parang iba, parang, oh my gosh.
And alam mo yun, it resonates with people of her culture. Just like how when Raja did it, when Gia Gunn did it, that they brought a cultural performance to the talent show. The people of that culture, or people that can relate to that culture, remember it.
Kumbaga ito yung mga pyesa na
Yes.
mapaperform na forever.
Yes.
Yeah.
I changed my mind. We can all change our minds. Given new information, given the opinions of other people, so we're allowed to change our minds.
Yes. Ay, maganda siya for me. Para tasteful talaga malala.
Yeah. I appreciate now how deeply, I understood it, but now I appreciate how deeply personal
Yung
it is.
iba kasi
to her.
parang mas mas pang performance sa bar. Ito parang mas high art. Mas avant-garde, mas grimy.
Yeah.
Ganon.
And of course, last but not the least, we have Mrs. Venus Deluxe. And this is Drag Race finale talent performance.
Para sila ni Brigading. Nandun sila sa same folder pero
Oo.
mas mataas yung kay Brigading lang
The
ng onte.
difference of the two for me is Brigading went into polished perfection,
Oo.
never missing a beat, full body extensions the whole way through. Venus went the route of I will throw everything at the wall.
Yeah. Parang yun nga, parang kaya rin feeling ko nakapasok rin si Brig sa top 2 kasi mas malinis yung kanya kay Vinya. Alam mo yun, parang mas malinis. Mas planchado lang kumbaga.
Oo. This is a little chaotic for me. Na
Same.
parang, I understand na what she was trying to do. She was trying to show as many of her talents as she can. Meron siyang may pa dancing siya, meron siyang pa-tumbling, meron siyang liftings, meron siyang pagsubo ng saging. Of course, she wrote the song, she recorded it, and she is singing it live. That's all impressive.
Yeah.
Pero parang nandun nga siya sa realm of throw everything at the wall and see what sticks.
Yeah.
Hopefully something sticks.
It's a performance. Like alam ko naman,
Oo.
sila nga yung mga caliber na ganun, 'di ba? Parang sila nga yung parang kuwari Vinyas, Brigading.
Her
101
doing
na
this live, we would gag, we would live to see this live, yes.
Parang palagi sila yung parang kung anong definition ng drag queen. Sila yun, drag. So parang yun na rin yung masaserve in everything.
Nagbabasag pa siya ng bote na she's literally trying to show as many talents as she can. Dun lang ako parang nawi-whiplash dito na parang, meron pa. Oh, another one. Oh, isa pa. Oh,
Ayun nga, parang
okay.
medyo ang chaotic ng energy. No?
Oo. I get what she was going for. And I love her vocals. I
Pero
appreciate
either
her
way,
vocal performance.
with that performance, nakapasok siya ng top 2. So, it's not on us, guys.
True.
It's with the
That's
judges. So, yung judges siya, like parang, I don't think medyo meron rin kayong, merong nangyari sa mga perspective natin. Dahil, girl.
At the end of the day, we're just watching the show.
Oh, tsaka meron ng...
It had already been done. It had already been
May crown
filmed.
na. Meron ng nakoronahan. Medyo a week late nga tayo.
So, for you, given, in terms of just the talent show na lang sino yung top 2 mo for the talent show?
I think I'm gonna give it to, even though I like Suki, I think Brigading deserves it. Maging top 2 and Arizona. With the performances.
With the talent show, I was also very Arizona and Brigading. But given the overall, if you think about the runway package presented on this episode and also just like the season track record as a whole, Venus deserves it.
Yes. Pero if like kasi di ba parang merong mga rule nga dito na even sa Before Drags, di ba parang kapag top 4 na 0 na ulit? 0 na ulit. Di ba? May mga ganun dati, di ba? Like parang
Pag sa competition.
Nare-remember mo ba dati sa Drag Race na parang di ba parang sasabihin nila dito sa pag top 4 na 0 na ulit yung point system. Parang ganun. Iba yung nandito. Ganun.
Yeah, gets. It makes the actual finale package count for more.
Yeah.
Na,
So parang
tama naman
kailangan
na
mas
it's
mabigat siya.
It's the final lap.
Oh, kailangan
It's
mas mabigat
literally
siya
the final lap. Yeah.
Kumbaga sa Miss Gay, bakla, tilaok na to. Umaga na yung parang tayo na lang to, bakla.
Correct.
Okay, family. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo na-antig dyan. May sarili naman tayong pamilya, di ba? Bakla family na yun, paano ma-antig ako, di ba? Bakla kung mama ko yan, maiyak ako dyan.
And of course, dahil nga it's up to the judges and not us, we have Brigading and Venus in our final lip sync to Marina Summers, Born to Do Drag. I love how Marina went from contestant finalist, judge, and her song being used as the finale lip sync.
Yes.
Like, that's gag-worthy.
Nakakatawa sa akin, can you imagine being on Venus' shoes, tas di pa sila carry, tas ililipsync ko yung song ng kaaway ko. I have to motherfucking applaud her for that. You know, nung time na to, for sure, girl, alam naman ng tao to. Alam na ng tao, pero like, can you imagine the prep? Ina na ba trip ako? Alam mo yun, parang, ina ba trip ako? Nakaka-bad trip. Pero kailangan kong gawin kasi finalist ako eh. Gets mo yung idea na yun, na parang, oh my gosh, nakakatawa.
I love all of the Versex hot takes for this finale episode. It's a great performance, especially from Brigading. I have to really commend Brigading for embodying the essence of the song and keeping up with the pace of the song. She's not doing too much or little at any time. Parang always sakto sa kung ano hinihingi ng kanta. But also with these two, we've seen them lip sync all season, and it's very
There are more gagi lip syncs
Yeah.
than this na
Yeah.
yung before nila.
It's very quintessential performances for both of them,
Mm-mm.
but it's not specifically noteworthy in terms of the body of work sa lip syncs that they've done all season long or even in their own seasons. Na parang,
Like you would expect that it would be gagi gagag. Like, I'm gonna gag.
Mm-mm.
Like parang Sasha Velour
Mm-mm.
levels. Like, baby, this is the finale and this is
Mm-mm.
not a regular season installation royale.
Mm-mm.
Pero, fierce. Someone won. Alam mo yun, yung parang, oh my gosh. Pero partly, kaya ko na din sabihin na parang medyo I kinda got bored with this whole finale situation when I know kung sino yung mananalo. With the whole...
so given this lip sync, you think Brigading won from the start with this lip sync?
Hindi, alam ko na with how the show went na parang, oh my gosh, she's gonna win. Like parang wala na parang nung in-announce na panalo siya, okay, she won. Briggs won. Pero with that being said,
Ako kasi I saw a very compelling argument for Venus to win.
you think? Ako kasi Team Venus talaga ako, pero like with the trajectory of Brigading, the past episodes, I just feel like, oh my gosh, she got this in the bag.
Ako iniisip ko din kasi parang the resonance with the people eh.
Yeah.
And I think well, there's a lot of like, of course, online discussion, what have you, but I think it's safe to say that Venus resonates with the people a little more.
Mas siya nga
Maybe
yung-
maybe the Filipino audience.
Yun
Venus
nga eh,
resonates
diba?
more with the Filipino audience, but I think internationally it might have been Brigading.
Di ba parang reception nga dito, parang hindi masyado binibigay kay Brigading yung crown. Pero parang for me, at this point, hindi niyo pa bibigay given na outside the competition. Like, sige, unahin na natin yun. Outside the competition, hindi niyo pa bibigay kay mama kasi parang, can you imagine the mental torture that she went through outside of the competition after season 1? And she had put in the work. After that.
That's something that I think people tend to forget and people tend to overlook Brigading for is she keeps saying it in her lyrics, but her legacy, literally how she like put Filipino drag on the map before Drag Race.
Yun nga yung parang sabi ko, mama, that's growth. Na parang
Girl,
self-aware na siya
Oo.
about a lot of things. ganun.
nagpo-perform na siya sa US ng gano'ng katagal, going there on her own dime just to like showcase her drag and Filipino drag to the world before there was Drag Race Philippines. Brigading has put in the work.
Yes. Ngayon parang at this point, kung hindi mo pabibigay sa kanya, parang bastos ka na lang. Kasi,
Dinidiminish ng mga tao because of her storyline on season 1. Tapos parang, bakla, Drag Race is not the end all be all of our careers, of our lives, of our like, essence as artists.
hindi tsaka, okay, kahit rin naman galing sa akin, sige, sabihin na natin caveat ni mama ang personality, pero that doesn't mean she's not a fierce drag queen. Like, isang facet lang yun na wala siya eh. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nun na tae-tae or everything or hindi niya na-deserve yung ano. Kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng strength eh. And parang may kita mo nga, parang for me nga eh, too perfect. She is too perfect. Is it a bad thing? I don't think so. It's fierce for other people. It's not fierce for other people. But at the end of the day, hindi ba carry yung sobra kang
Like,
perfect eh.
Oo, parang, can we not allow drag excellence to speak for it? Kasi at the end of the day, yun naman yun eh. We can be in love with the person. We can be in love with their personalities. We can be in love with, how much we resonate with them as people. But at the end of the day, drag excellence is drag excellence. Quality drag is
Period.
quality
Oo,
drag.
period.
Showgirls are showgirls. So parang, she has earned this. And she's been doing drag for how long? I
Oo,
think
like,
11 years na?
bastos
If I'm not
ka
mistaken,
na
parang
lang.
2014 nag-start si Brigading. And ayun nga, the thing for me is, I wasn't in like the nightlife scene at that time. I did not know any drag queens personally at that
Yeah.
time. But I knew of Brigading. I've been following her for the longest time kasi nga,
Ganun ba hindi ko lang binibigay pero sila yung una kong nakilalang drag queen. Brigading
Diba?
tsaka si Mama Katkat. Tapos sila pa yung
Diba?
ginagaya ko dati na gray lens tapos nakagano.
oo,
pero,
yung
pero hindi ko nabibigay.
sila yung talagang nag-template nung being able to create your own drag persona.
Sila yung una kong nakitaan ng lace front sa Philippines na blonde before. Tas bagets pa ako nun. Kung 2014 yun, 15 years old pa lang ako nun, sis.
Diba? Exactly. That is... alam mo, that I think that's what the fans of the show tend to forget.
Na pillar sila prior to entering.
Girl, to get onto the show is an achievement in itself. Hindi lahat ng drag queen masasabing nakapasok sila sa Drag Race. Yes, marami na kami na parang
Hindi, like
For-
even before Drag Race, hindi lahat ng drag queen nakapasok sa Ubar.
exactly, parang people tend to hyperfixate on the storylines on the show. Na, takina, hindi nyo ba naiisip na ilan lang kami 35?
Oo.
Ilan lang kaming nakapasok na ng Drag Race Philippines 35?
Oo, mahirap yun. Like,
Te,
Ate.
hindi biro mag-audition ah.
ate, pumasok
And
talaga
we
ako sa
don't all make it the first time.
butas ng karayom doy. Itong inasuntok sa
Girl,
buwan, day.
Parehas
Totoo.
tayo twice nag-audition,
Oo,
di ba?
dahil,
We don't all get in the first time.
alam mo yung TikTok na, yung mga sinulid pag dinilaan. Yung kay Charot
Correct.
tayo, parang ganun talaga ako. Basa-basa talaga ako para makapasok ako ng karayom. Bakla.
So to get on Drag Race is you've already made it.
Oo.
Within the industry, you are already a presence in the industry for you to have made it onto the show and for you to do all those challenges, perform really well regardless of production favorites or what
Yeah.
argument. She was consistently high.
Mm-mm.
And that does not come with girl, kasi kahit tae-tae naman yan tapos favorite siya ng producer. Pag sinabi ng producer, siya winner pero tae-tae siya, makikita nyo eh. But
Oo.
no, she
Pero
did
siya
really
hindi.
well.
Pinawer niya talaga. Yung parang,
Oo, binirit niya.
Tang ina, pag-iipunan ko to. At ang pinagsinasabi kong ipon, hindi lang monetary.
Mm-mm.
Mag-iipon ako ng lakas ng loob, mag-iipon ako ng mga
Skill
pyesa, mag-iipon ako ng ganito, ganyan. Ate, naipon na. Malalang ipon yung bakla, atake mo bangko mo magkano? Wow, bakla walang limit, atake.
As girls that have had unfavorable showings on our season, for you to go back, ang laking tayanon.
Nakakaano nga na parang...
Ang laking tayanon
Correct.
mentally and
Like, parang
emotionally.
alam mo nga ngayon,
to go
parang
back.
mas ang tapang mo kapag kaya mo pang bumalik. Kasi nga ngayon, di ba, pag tinatanong ko
Oo.
kung gusto ko mag-All-Stars, hindi ko alam kasi ngayon, binubuo ko na yung pangalan ko outside of the show
Oo.
And
Isusugal mo yun uli
Oo.
lahat eh.
pag pumasok ulit ako dun, may chance na masira yung pangalan ko. Make
Parang,
or break
TV
siya eh.
character na naman ako.
Like parang kung wari tatanong ako ngayon, this soon, hindi po. Kasi po, paano kung pumitik na naman ako?
'Di ba? Kumbaga pag bumalik ka kasi doon, ngayon kasi ano ka na you're building yourself again as Versex a drag artist.
Oo.
Pag pumasok ka diyan, Versex a TV character.
Oo, tsaka parang papakilala, i-reintroduce ko ulit sarili ko. Paano nga kasi, like, iniisip ko, tao lang rin ako eh. Paano kung pumitik ulit ako? Paano kung nagganito ulit ako? Paano kung mag-stumble na naman ako? Paano ko aayusin yun? Ang hirap pa. Like, lalo na sa mga material na wala ka namang control
Oo.
with. Hindi natin to kontrolado, te.
Yes, it's a show. Yes, it's a competition. Yes, the girls are being judged based on what they show on the show.
It's a reality TV.
But sometimes we also have to factor in yun nga, the legacy. What they've built, what they've done. That counts for something because that's how these girls got to this position.
yeah.
And for the fans to be so dismissive of that is I think a little disrespectful. Actually, no, a lot disrespectful.
Mm-mm.
Na tandaan nyo, hindi nyo to frena ha.
Correct. Yung
hindi nyo to kakilala.
Correct.
Hindi nyo alam yung kahit na nagkwento sila, hindi nyo alam yung buong life story,
Oo,
lahat ng pinaghirapan ng tao na to
oo.
sa show na to.
Oo, mahirap.
So like you cannot judge a person fully just based on the show.
Like even me, sabihin na natin, kung wari dito sa Beckham situation, kahit nag-ano ko, take care kami after nito. Alam mo yun, parang hindi yung intention namin is iba dun sa mga ibang comments na nakikita na parang bring down talaga ng tao na sobrang specific na, uy puta, wala kang ganap sa bahay mo ba talaga? Parang, anong atake mo, ganyan ka lang. Online si Versex, tweet ko to. Online si Brigading, shit, hate train ko siya. Alam mo yun, ano ba yan? Bakla, tama na ka, tantanan nyo na yun.
Correct. Plus, I mean, like,
Correct.
we're very aware na, yes, a lot of people watch this show, a lot of people come to hear for our comments, and we are giving the critiques. But at the end of the day, we're just one voice.
Oo, tsaka parang,
We're just one opinion.
oo, tsaka
It's not
opinion
that
siya.
deep.
Hindi siya, tsaka yung niya, hindi iba yung purpose niya. Yung purpose
Oo.
sabi, naghihimay lang kami. Hindi
Oo,
kami yung
hinihimay namin kung ano yung binibigay. And parang we're trying to provide context having been on the show. And
Oo.
of course, as people na know how like reality TV producing goes, we're just trying to give context. Pero hindi naman yung parang kami yung end-all be-all of opinions on everything.
But you know what? With that being said, Baby Girl was the newly crowned girl.
She did that.
She's mommy.
She did that. Akala nyo madali kung makapag-comment
Correct,
kayo
correct.
na hindi madali yan, be. Bukan mo muna.
Kahit i-bash nyo siya pa ulit-ulit.
Lakas mo no?
Bakla kagayon lang nasa kanya yung crown. And wala.
At the end of the day, wala tayong magagawa.
Tapos na siya.
Taga House of Ding ang
Nanalo.
nanalo.
Correct. Diba? Sabi-sabi nga nila. O, ayan na.
Tama naman si Zimba. One season late nga lang.
Correct.
And that wraps up this amazing Slation Royale season. Thank you so much to our sponsors. Thank you so much to Cream Silk and of course to Johnny Walker Blonde. On that note, let us have a cheers. And thank you to everyone that tuned in to this final episode of this podcast season. To see is to believe kung ano pang mga kaganapan, but we are cooking some things up. So let's see how that turns out. But on that note, once again, follow us on Instagram at BekanamanPod. Subscribe to us or follow us on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, everywhere, baby. Mixionel Versex, alam nyo na yan kung saan yan.
Already know.
If you don't know, di sorry.
Correct. Kami lang naman kasi ito.
Sorry. Kung hindi nyo alam, di bahala ka dyan. Cheers, sis.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity,